Oil earlier in the day has seen a good dip till towards 81.5 zone, which was a great support zone as we have discussed in the Asia session update today. And from those levels, you've seen a good recovery in oil. At the same time, the buying entries at 82.6 levels, the resistance at 82.6 proven out to be a great resistance, which it failed to pass by. At the same time, natural gas chose to rise earlier in the day and now trying to reverse and trade with a bearish bias. It has come now towards our selling entry at 2.82, which we have seen earlier in the day today with the Asia session update. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position we should take trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every comment and every like is a great appreciation and motivation for me to deliver on time every time with consistency. This is just a humble request to at least press the like button, and yes, your share and subscribe is a great support to the efforts which I am putting twice a day. This is the second update for the day, and hence press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Let's start first to look into US crude followed with net gas. And yes, you can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US crude on the hourly chart. See, it traded bearish here. It is giving lower highs, lower lows. Certainly trading bearish. Yes, we have seen that earlier in the day that 82.6, if it breaks past by, you can buy there and expect 83. And then I will look forward to this zone here at 83.3, 83.4. If it breaks, then only we should term it as a reversal and we can expect a rise. Precisely achieving 82.6, it is now trying to trade bearish again. Let's see if it breaks past by 82 again, because this is a good support zone. You can see this is definitely a good support zone for oil. Stochastic is slightly overbought here. The MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little a bullish bias here, while RSI is trying to trade flat. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see prices were divergent from the moving averages. It is converged here. You can see the bullishness getting diminished. Resistance very strong at 82.6. With that as resistance, we can see this reversing here. So a possibility for you to enter a sell entry is exist only if you see it now trading below 82 levels, below which you can expect a little more drop again till towards 81.5. That is going to be a great support. Stochastic is retested here, and MACD was so far trading with bearish bias. It has converged a bit, but remember it is not yet crossed over. A crossover will bring the bulls back in oil. RSI almost trading flat, while on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, bullishness getting diminished. Then this reversal candle, I will observe this candle and the next candle specifically which direction it wants to take. Certainly 81.8, 81.5 are two major support levels. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish. It can again converge crossover for buy. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. If you track the 4-hour charts performance, see the drop, retracement, and this is creating a step for its own, and this is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade, and hence we have to be observant. Also remember, this is first green candle. If the second green candle appears where you see oil trading above 82.6, you should buy. We can expect couple or more greener candles from there, which might take the prices little high. Now if you look at closely, you can say that it may try to create this channel here. The highs of this channel should be at around 83.5, 83.6 zone. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is extremely bearish, so possible conversion here can be expected. It may try to also cross over. RSI almost flat here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see lower highs, lower lows, and this is what it is trying to stay within. Even if it tries to stay above 82.6, there is great resistance till towards 83 levels. You can see these two candles. 83 can again prove out to be great resistance for today. I will definitely watch out for. Possibly it is going to limit its movement between this zone itself. Yes, if you see it trading below 82, you can sell again, but then be cautious till 81.5. Stochastic dropping here. Now see on the daily charts, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, MACD is looking downwards. A sign which may bring bears in oil for a little while. Maybe few sessions we may see oil trading with a bearish bias. What we have seen here can reappear here again. Be watchful. RSI very near to top. It has come out of the overbought zone. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil at 82.6 level. That is the only level beyond which I will recommend you to stay long in oil. And above that also till 83, very very good resistance is there. Beyond 83 we can expect 83.6 levels, which is going to be the next resistance zone. That is the resistance zone that should be the top of the channel, and at those levels we should see how it behaves. Possibly a reversal or a drop from those levels again be expected. On the downside, below 81.5 and 81, remember 81 is a great support, and below 81, 80 is the next support. These two levels are needed to be in order to confirm a bearish trend in oil, which may pull the prices still towards 77 levels in the forthcoming sessions. So be careful there on the downside for 81-80 zone. We have to watch out how it behaves there. Below that, more bears will prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at natural gas. Now see net gas on the hourly chart. See drop, retracement. This time it has achieved higher highs. It tried to break till towards 2.87, 2.88 zone, which was the great resistance here. We have seen that earlier, that beyond 2.6 till 2.88 great resistance exists. It is precisely giving lower highs and has reversed since then. That is a sharp reversal we have seen here. Now see on the hourly charts, it is now trying to, after this sharp drop, it is just trying to stay in the box. Let's see which direction it wants to move out. Stochastic looking down, trying to trade bearish, while MACD is trading with a slight bullish bias after the sharp plunge. It is trying to recover a bit. RSI looking vertically down, trying to trade bearish. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at similar observation here on the 2 hour charts, see the reversal was seen here, a couple of greener candles, and then this sharp drop here. Lower, higher lows, so possibly higher highs, which suggests that it can try to in fact now come till towards 2.78, 2.76 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped, while MACD is trading with little divergence, trying to trade in green here. However, after the sharp drop, it is still trying to stay flat compared to the you can say the gradient here, and the gradient here is very small. So this is something which suggests that the bullishness is very less. It has diminished rather, I will say. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade bearish, coming to 3 hour chart. Similar observation, see rise, retracement, 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 drop. So this is following the pattern here, trying to stay in the box before it gives a breakout. A breakout is awaited. Any move above 2.9 is where the bulls will try to take the or capture the move here in net gas. And yes, 2.88 itself, you can now remain long about 2.88 is a great resistance here. Stochastic dropped vertically. MACD is still in red. It can converge crossover. RSI is almost flat, but now trying to trade with a slight bearish bias. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, almost the same highs and lower lows are seen. It is still trying to stay in the box. Let's watch out a bit more. Yes, you can sell here at 2.8 levels. However, 2.7876 zone is a great support. 76, if it breaks, then only further bearishness is going to prevail. We have to watch out for 2.76 specifically. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. Also, if you look at RSI, this is also looking down. Now if you look at MACD, see first wave, second wave, and there is still a little lows which it can achieve. RSI is also trying to trade bearish here. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See, first of all, lower highs are done. Lower highs calls for first of all higher lows or possibly lower lows here. So this zone is going to remain critical. 2.76 could be the first support. I will wait for net gas to trade below 2.8. But then also very crucial support levels exist till towards 2.76, 2.75 levels. Achieving those levels, we can see a potential recovery. This is also very much possible. Else, what it may try to do is give you higher lows, lower highs, consolidate in this zone itself. So you have to be careful. Taking a sell entry, it can possibly bounce back. A buying entry, now I will recommend only about 2.88 levels, and then 2.9 is the first resistance, breaking beyond which you can say that net gas is trying to reverse. Remember, the prices are still divergent from the moving averages. It can possibly converge till towards these levels before looking upwards. Stochastic has dropped vertically. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge just a bit. RSI is almost flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.8 and buy at 2.88 levels. On the upside 2.9, and on the downside 2.76. This is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance or support. we have to trade with caution in between the zone. On the below to 2.76, you can expect 2.7 to 2.7 as the first target and 2.6566 as the next target. Till 2.6, extremely crucial, extremely important support, and extremely strong support exists till towards 2.65, 2.6 zone. So take your positions accordingly. On the sell side, sell at 2.8 and buy at 2.88. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.